Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Tahar Parveen. Friends, after a long time, Karnataka teacher aspirants finally have some positive news. There are many news reports saying that around 15,000 teacher vacancies will be filled in government schools and the entire procedure will be completed within 100 days, they are telling. Many aspirants have been waiting for these teacher recruitment notifications for a long time now. Even during this waiting period, I know many aspirants have continued the preparation with lot of patience and hard work. Now, these news reports have brought some hope for teacher recruitment aspirants across the Karnataka. I am going to show you two important news reports. First one is from TV9 Kannada. It is June 10th news. According to this news report, bumper offer for job seekers, recruitment of 15,000 school teachers within 100 days, they are telling. So there is a great news for job seekers who were waiting for the post of Karnataka government school teachers. The education department is all set to complete the recruitment process of 15,000 primary teachers and 2,500 IT teachers within the next 100 days. The official notification will be out next week itself and the exam and results will be declared within 2 months. This is what is the TV9 report says. And they also tell about this exam and results in 2 months. The education department will release the complete details of PSTR, GPSTR and HSTR posts under the new C&R rules. The department is all set to complete the entire recruitment process quickly by conducting the exam and declaring the results within 2 months of the publication of the notification. This is a golden opportunity for the candidates who have been waiting for the post of teachers for the past many years, and the department has requested them to start preparing for the exam immediately. So now the department has only requested all the aspirants to start preparing for the exam immediately. So hopefully we can be very positive this time and we can expect the notification any time soon, and before that CNR rules will be published, especially for HSTR, because for GPSTR it is already published, for PSTR also it is published, HSTR is pending. Now as soon as the CNR rules is published, we can expect a notification any time soon. Okay, now this was one news, and another news report is from Z News, Z Kannada News. Now this report also says bumper gift for job seekers, 15,000 government teachers to be recruited in 100 days. So the state education department has announced a great job opportunity for job seekers looking for government jobs. The education department is preparing to recruit 15,000 primary teachers within the next 3 to 4 months. So here they are telling about the total vacancies also. They are telling that 15,000 primary school teachers in the first phase will be filled, and then they are talking about the IT teachers also, and an official notification in this regard is expected to be published within the next week, they are saying. Sources have informed that the teacher recruitment process will be completed by conducting the examination and announcing the results within 2 months of the publication of the notification. This is what this Kannada Z News report says. So friends, this was the latest update regarding the proposed recruitment of around 15,000 teachers in Karnataka government schools. For many aspirants, this news may bring new sense of hope after a long wait. But this is also a reminder that we should continue our preparation seriously and be ready for all the opportunities that are going to come in our way now. So let us hope that the official notification is released soon and the deserving aspirants get the opportunity soon. And this is a reminder for all of us to start preparing if you have not started still, and if you have already started, then make your preparation rigorous, because once notification comes, you will not have more than 2 months. Within 2 months only exam will be conducted, and you know how GPSTR and HSTR syllabus is so lengthy. 2 months will not be enough for you to cover the entire syllabus and go through with thorough preparation. So it is a request from our side, aspirants, please start preparing right now. You can stay in touch with us in our Telegram group, and also we give you all the updates in our Telegram channel. And you can also tell me about your experience and feedback and the problem you are facing while preparing. All that you can also write in the comment section below this video. If you are a paid class aspirant, then feel free to ask all your doubts in your batch Telegram group, and all of you please start preparing and discussing yourself in your batches groups, and of course we will be present there. We will also help you in your journey till your exam date. Thank you. All the best. Bye.